Techspray offers a wide variety of alcohol-based products designed for electronics cleaning, but make sure you follow CDC guidelines when it comes to using these products for disinfecting and hard surface cleaning. To give you even greater control of saturation, we offer 99% IPA in a 12-ounce aerosol can. This allows you to spray over the surfaces, and then the alcohol can flow into the crevices and uneven areas, and then you wipe dry with a lint-free cloth. So for sensitive electronics like cash machines, credit card readers, and something with a touch screen, you may be worried about spraying directly on it where the alcohol can go into places you really don't want to. Okay, so you can spray on the wipe itself, creating a pre-saturated wipe, which allows you to really control the application of the alcohol. I hope this was helpful to you and you stay safe during this trying time. If you have any questions, please reach out to us or go to techspray.com.